Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious oatmeal drink at home. First, gather your simple ingredients: 1 cup of rolled oats, 4 cups of water, and a small pinch of salt. You'll also need a high-speed blender, a fine mesh sieve, and a container for storage. Optional additions like maple syrup or a single date can be prepared now for later. Now, let's get blending. Carefully pour your 1 cup of rolled oats, 4 cups of water, and that pinch of salt into your high-speed blender. Blend on high for approximately 30 to 60 seconds. The goal is a smooth, creamy consistency. Be careful not to overblend, as this can sometimes lead to a slightly slimy texture, which we want to avoid. After blending, it's time to strain. Place a fine mesh sieve or a nut milk bag over a large bowl and pour the blended mixture through it. Gently press the pulp to extract all the liquid, then discard the remaining oat solids. Now, you can stir in your favorite sweetener, perhaps 2 tablespoons of maple syrup, for a touch of sweetness. Finally, let's talk about storage and enjoyment. Pour your freshly made oatmeal drink into an airtight container and store it in the refrigerator. It will stay fresh and delicious for about 4 to 5 days. You can enjoy it chilled on its own, add it to your morning coffee, or use it as a fantastic base for your favorite smoothies. Cheers!
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.